Welcome to OnPrintShop. In products, today we will see how to add custom size product. To add custom size product, go to admin panel, products, click on add button. Now before proceeding, let me tell you that I am just going to demonstrate how to add custom size product. I will not go in other details except the custom size settings and prices, as if you want to know how to add product in detail, then you can refer the video how to add products. So let's proceed with custom size product. So product name, custom banners, category banners and signs, price defining method, size based price, dynamic size. So it's a custom size product, so you'll need to select size based price, dynamic size in price defining method, status active. Let's upload the small image and large image. Then here you will need to select measurement unit. So measurement unit can be mm, cm, inches, feet and meter. Let's select feet from here and then click on save and continue. Here in the designer option you will just need to add the product page, front and cut margin and safe margin you can add over here if required. If not required, leave it blank and click on save and continue. Here you will need to add the prices, either retail price or corporate price. Price is from 1 feet to 12 feet. Price $2. From 13 feet to 50 feet, $1.75. 51 to 100, $1.65, and 101 to 1000, $1.05, and save and continue. Here you can add the additional options. How to add additional options? Let's see. Click on add button. From here you can add the additional option. For example, pull pockets, drop down, display in price calculator, yes. Then additional price calculation, yes. Then price calculation type you will need to select from here, like multiply only with area, there is width into height, or multiply only with parameter 2 by width into width plus height, multiply only with width, only with height, fixed price based on area, fixed price based on parameter, fixed price based on width, and fixed price based on height. So I'll select multiply only with area. Here additional option, not needed, top only, both top and bottom. Now if you want to add prices, click on save and continue. Here you can add the prices for the different sizes for the additional option, and after adding the prices just click on save and back. Let's add one more option, sealed edges, drop down, multiply only with area, yes, free, and not required, save and back. Now you can add combine option prices also. Click on combine option prices, add the group name, then select the option and select the default option and click on save. Now here you can add combine option prices for the additional options. After adding the combined option prices, you can click on save and back. Rest is just like the normal product, only few settings we need to see. So in the settings, general settings, we have scaling factor. As per the scaling factor you have added over here, your PDF file of the order will be resized. That is, the resolution of the PDF file will be scaled on the scaling factor. For example, 1 is the normal. When you add 0.5, for example 0.5, then the resolution of the PDF file will be reduced to half and the PDF file will be generated accordingly. So here you can add the scaling factor as per your requirement. The major setting is custom size. So here you will need to add the area lookup. In area lookup, if you select only area, height by width, then it will calculate, for example, the height is 2 and the width is 3, then it will multiply 2 by 3, that is 6. So it will look up area will be 6 for the prices. If you select area with quantity, then it will calculate height, width and quantity. So for example, if you have selected height, width and quantity, 2 is the height, 3 is the width and quantity is say 10, then it will calculate 2 by 3 by 10, that is 2 by 3 is 6, 6 by 10 is 60. So it will look up in the price for the range of 60. Then you can add the custom size calculator help here. You can restrict the size, like say you can allow the custom width. Here you can add the minimum width and maximum width. In the same way you can allow custom height over here, minimum height, maximum height. So minimum width is say 10 feet and maximum is 50 feet. In the same way, minimum height is 5 feet and maximum height is 60 feet. Then you can add predefined size title and add the predefined height and width over here. Banner 25 by 25, width 25, height 25 and sort order 1. Click on save. If you want to add more predefined size, then you can click on add button and add more predefined custom sizes. Now let's see on the storefront how this product looks and works. So this is our custom banners. Now you can see over here we have added the predefined banner size, that is 25 by 25. So your customer can place an order of predefined banner size or he can select custom size. In custom size, we have in the admin panel we have added the limitations of allow custom width, maximum width and minimum width. In the same way, allow custom height, minimum height and maximum height. So let's see how it works on the storefront. So you can see the minimum height is 10. So you can see the minimum width is 10. So you can see the minimum width is 10 and maximum is 50. So if I suppose try to add width less than 10, then you can see the pop-up comes up over here, allowed width limit minimum 10 feet and maximum 50 feet. The same way the height, if I try to add more than 60 feet, then a pop-up will come up again, allowed height limit 5 feet and maximum 60 feet. So your customer can now place an order by selecting the predefined size or custom size, selecting the quantity and other additional options, and by clicking on custom design or upload design they can place an order. Suppose they click on custom design, then in the designer studio you can see that the size of the banner is too large, and there is the limitation of the designer studio in aspect to the size of the custom size products. Like say custom size products are too much bigger, so in that case it will show up like this. You can see the scaling factor over here, so you can zoom in or zoom out from here, and you can see the scale becomes very small over here. So this is a limitation for designer studio in the custom design. But if you want to provide designer studio to your customer to customize the design online, then you can provide the designer studio. So this is how your customers can select the size and place an order of a customized product. So this is how you can add a customized product on your storefront. Thank you for watching this video.